Hello guys, today I'm going to build like small e-commerce type of store using Simvoly. So you guys can experience how easy it is to build one with Simvoly. You can find the description like account creation link on description, and here we go. This is a one I built before. So what I'm going to do is that walk you through how to build on your own, so that way it's easy for you to understand how to build a store using Simvoly. And what I offer is like I build, if you use my link in the description, and it's affiliate link, so if you take that and register your account and let me know in the comments that you have account, I will build for you. If you need any help, you can find how to communicate with me. You can communicate with me email or Facebook or WhatsApp, anyway you want. You can find information on description. So today, like now I want to emphasize things a little bit. See, this is the builder that I use always. It's better than any other funnel builder that out there. I'm not going against them because I build using those funnel builders too, like ClickFunnels, high level since system IO, all of them good, but I prefer this builder because it's very affordable and also it's easy to fast build. And so now I'm going to show you how to add this, like first a page, like going here, add new page for your store or shop. It's a custom shop, like, right, it's not the store shop that default you get. So like my name is at a shop, you get a store, like whatever your domain dot store from them too, like. But if let's say if you want to build, if you want to sell something that and a different niche, that you want to different category, like maybe some kind of wider product. See, like this is just examples that I add time to time, different niches. This is like game niche, this is like woman clothing, and this is some kind of digital stuff that I build for past in the clients. So the products that's I test here. So I'm really fascinated about this builder. So let's build one. So uh, especially like if you go to a TikTok shop or something that you can add as a bio link, or even if you sell in Pinterest or other, you have to build your own brand, right? Even you use Etsy or an eBay or any other platform, it's better to have, like, this is like $12 per month if you starting, when you pay yearly. So it's really cheap, and it's always like people expecting where they buy from, so that's why you have to build a brand. So that's why I'm sharing this trick with Simoli that I use. And what you can do is, once you go to store, and there you add under products, you add products. So go here, so you go there here and add the product. You can add a physical product or digital product or service or membership. Let's say that's you done. I'll make a video how to do that separately, but in this video I'm going to show you how to add. This is like um, walk you through video, and I will show you how to do that in that case. So you can go to your pages, and uh, so this one was my shop. So let's go, and let's say you want to add a block. Let's add a block, empty block, And all you have to do is, if you have like as I said in the first place, your category shop. It's not your whole shop. So this, see, like this widget, it's called, they build a chorus widget and just drag and drop, easy. See, it's come automatically latest product. You can select from categories. Let's say I add the beauty and only this category. This all categories you also add on the store section. I will make a video on that. So this is how it's come easy, come as a showcase. As soon as you build that, it show up here. You have lots of editing space. Edit the product. You can add more categories. Let's say buy and sell, sports and entertainment, everything. So we can add all these. So then it's more products that I added in the past. So that's really beautiful design, right? Also you can edit the design, how it's look, like this stuff you can add to middle. See, like that goes to middle. Or if you want, they are gone, and when they click they show up. That's how it's work in that way. And this is another display, little bit different, slowly, like different styles. And you can change the box, like padding. If you're a little bit advanced, you understand this is the pattern, like in between the spaces. You can add shadows, outer shadows, like that. See, it's become a little bit pop-up, eye-popping, right? So image, you can add like different sizes of images. Standard 4 by 3. I had this one, right? Wide 16. That's a little bit even smaller. Wide 214,111 square side. Let's take a little bit, these one take a little bit space, so I prefer this one. And it's like a central medium size. Also you can do any text styling. You can upload under here. You can upload your own fonts, or Google, you can use Google fonts that automatically had. If you want to bold, everything, lots of font style you can change. Like space, you can put some space. If you want, you can like make it Italian. Then button style, you can use regular button or icons. Then you can put an order of this product, newest first, A to Z, or other way, Z to A, or price low to high. That's a better way sometimes if you want to show your lowest prices. SKU, or SKU descending or ascending, just like this. Or price high to low, if you want to put your highest prices stuff in the first. And if it is on sale, it says sale. It's also, these settings also under store when you add the product. I will show in another video. I hope you guys understand how it works. If you want to see the preview, see, says website preview, just click that and it show you the preview. See, that's how it's work. Hope you got my point. And if you want to build a website, let me know, and or register yourself and build yourself. Thank you.